In this video, I'm going to sew my penguin's hat together. So I'm going to take the two pieces. I've attached the white hat bands onto the red hat pieces. I'm going to go ahead and just put them wrong sides together. Then I'm going to use my pins to pin them in place so that I can sew them together with a running stitch. So I put one pin on this side, one pin on this side, that way they are attached together and they won't shift around while I'm sewing. And I'm ready to stitch. I'm using my white thread and I have a knot in one end and a tail on the other end. I've got it single threaded. I'm going to go ahead and start making my stitches by placing my knot between the two layers of fabric. We always want to try to hide our knots. And I'm going to start on this bottom edge where the two hat bands line up. And I'm just going to start making stitches in that edge. I'm actually putting a little stitch right there in that corner. And I will just make a running stitch along the white band and then up into the red to attach the two pieces together. I'm just going to continue making a running stitch. You start in this corner, then you work your way around the top piece and then down to that other edge, and then you stop because you want to leave the bottom open so that you can stick your hat on the penguin. I'm going to check in on the back of the work every once in a while to make sure you don't have any tangles. And make sure you're catching both sides of the fabric. I'm going to go keep making my stitches. I'm going to place my stitches about an 1/8 inch away from the edge, the top edge of the red hat fabric. I don't want to put my stitches too deep into the hat, otherwise the penguin's head won't fit into my hat. So these stitches really do need to stay right along that outer edge, otherwise the hat won't fit on the penguin's head. I'm going to go ahead and finish making my stitches all the way down to the very bottom there, so that the hat, that bottom edge there, will hold together when you put this hat on the penguin's head. I may actually even make one extra stitch there. Now I'm going to make my knot between the two layers of fabric. You can see I'm just going to catch that piece of thread between the two layers and make a knot and pull it tight. You can actually do it the usual way too, where we pick up the piece of fabric and make a loop and pull your thread through that loop twice as well. It's good to be creative in hiding your knots. And I'll pull off my safety pins, and there you have it. You've got a hat ready to go. And the next step, we'll attach the pom-pom. You leave the base open. And there it is.